With Social365, you can plan up to a year of social media posts with just a few clicks. Select Get Started. With this tool, you can either schedule posts manually yourself, or our AI can automatically schedule posts for you. Select Yes for auto-scheduling. Start by selecting the post categories your followers want to see from you. Next, choose your desired posting frequency. Select whether or not you'd like to post on the weekends, and adjust your posts per day to create your desired posting schedule. Click on the social icons to connect your social accounts. The last step is to select Schedule. Social365 will then schedule your social media posts for an entire year using our library of ready-to-post content. This is your calendar view. To switch to a timeline view, select the timeline icon. Click on a post to make changes to it. From here, you can preview your post, shuffle to a new one, delete it, edit your caption, change the image, select the social accounts you want to post to, or select a different posting time. When you're done making changes, click Schedule. To add a new post, click here. To make your own, select Create New Post. To create your own category and fill it with your own custom posts, select Create New Category. To search our library of social media content, select a category. When you choose your post, just drag and drop it onto the day you want to publish it. If you ever want to make changes to your selected post categories and posting frequency, click the gear icon and go to Categories and Frequency. To start or stop posting on a particular day, use this toggle button. Select your categories here, adjust your posting time, add a second posting slot, and manage what platforms you're posting to. And here's where you can easily turn auto-scheduling on or off.